In this video, I will be showing you how I created this artwork, and I also have a special offer for you. So make sure you watch the video till end. So without wasting a moment, let's play the intro. In this artwork, I wanted to create plain and very bright background. So I created a background from scratch by taking a solid color layer of reddish orange color. Then picked a little bit brighter color than the previous one in solid color adjustment layer and painted in the middle in linear dodge blending mode. And once again painted yellowish orange color at top right corner. Then it is time to place our main character, and after placing I decrease the overall highlights by using levels. After that I blended Pennywise with color balance. Then I used curves to increase the highlights as well as to shape the light because I wanted to show a light source in downward direction. One more curves adjustment layer to give him a scary look by darkening the shadows at areas where light will not hit. And one more curves layer to add details in his eyes. To show light is coming from behind and front, I painted reddish orange color using hue and saturation adjustment layer. And painted one more time with yellowish orange color using hue and saturation adjustment layer. To create light sources at his both sides, I painted on mask of solid color adjustment layer on linear dodge blending mode by picking a reddish orange color. Then the most interesting part comes. I created the walls by drawing triangle shapes using pen tool. I created wall just because it will help the viewer to focus on Pennywise first. To give a 3D look to walls, I created two more shapes by using pen tool. After that, to make the walls realistic, I added the textures using multiply blend mode on both the triangles. Then same thing on both the shapes using overlay blending mode. Then I increase the contrast to all the way 100% using brightness and contrast adjustment layer just because they are very near to the camera. To give walls a more realistic look, I placed a scratch textures on soft light blending mode at both the triangles. And one more time I increased the contrast to 100% because I wanted to make the walls enough dark. Now time to give color to the walls. I added the bluish color by using color balance adjustment layer. As you can see, there is a light source behind Pennywise, so I painted the lights using hue and saturation adjustment layer on both the shapes. And you can say yes, now they are looking like walls. I dropped a balloon at upper right corner just because his one eye was already in that direction. Now you can feel like Pennywise is already looking at the balloon. I made the balloon darker using levels just because it is covered by wall, so light will not hit on the right side of it. Increased the contrast using brightness and contrast adjustment layer and added some orange color by using color balance adjustment layer to match it with the overall artwork. On left side there are some highlights, so I painted black color using multiply blend mode. Then painted the rim lights on string of balloon because light will hit on it. By using soft brush, I painted orange color on normal blending mode on left side of the balloon because it is focused to a light source, and then decrease the overall opacity according to my taste. And then extended the string of the balloon. After that I added some overlays of dust particles on both the sides of Pennywise and also added bokeh by using my bokeh brush. Smoke is missing here, so I painted some smoke here and there on the mask of solid color adjustment layer in linear dodge blending mode. Now time to make this artwork even more scary. Pasted an image of Pennywise which I found from Google.
He's Pennywise. I don't think so.
After that I removed the background and changed the blending mode from normal to soft light to blend it even better. Finally, we reached to my favorite step, color grading. I color graded this artwork using what? God, please help me. I forgot how I color grade my artworks. Now what should I do? Yes, I have an idea. Well, that's a topic for my another video. Just kidding. I wanted to create a separate video on color grading as a short tutorial. That's why I will not reveal it right now. And yes, I am giving a special offer. Now you can subscribe my channel for free for the next 5 months. Yes, believe me. Go give it a shot. If you want more such type of videos in future, give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you have any question regarding this video. I would like to answer your questions. So that's it for today. Keep creating and I will see you in the next one.